Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the subtitles language on your COOCAA CNTF2NZ TV. To change the subtitles language, we have to press menu button on the remote control, which is located in the top left corner of the D-pad on the remote control itself. Then use right arrow key to navigate to the last option we have on the settings bar, which looks like a Windows logo, and it's called Setup. So once you have navigated here, to do that, use right arrow key. You have to scroll down to Subtitle Languages option. To do that, use down arrow key on your D-pad, and then once you have these options highlighted, press OK, and after that select primary in subtitle languages, and then use down arrow key to navigate down to the languages lists. Now if you don't see your language on this list, you can navigate between pages using left and right arrow keys. So once you have found your desired language, highlight it and then press OK, and this way you will set a primary language for your subtitles. Now if your primary language isn't available for subtitles, you can go back to the subtitle languages, then press right arrow key straight away to select secondary, and then down arrow key to go to the language list, and here select the secondary language, so the language second in priority that will be displayed underneath your TV show or program that you're watching in case your primary subtitle language isn't available. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.